Hi, this is Tom with CertifID, and I wanted to walk you through what we're seeing as far as E&O and cyber insurance, in particular, recently this year. So with all of the cyber fraud losses, wire fraud, ransomware, all these things that they're hitting us with, we've seen a pivot on the E&O side of insurance that they're adding specific exclusions for anything computer or cyber fraud or cyber crime related. So you just need to watch out for that. It feels very much like a kind of pre-computer era E&O policy that covers, the basic blocking and tackling of what you need to do as an attorney or title agent or lender or real estate agent or broker, right? Those kind of core things that you have to do based on your licensing requirements or statute or whatever it happens to be. And then you pivot over to cyber. So cyber covers like everything else. And with cyber, you have a bunch of different riders. You have social engineering and phishing and cybercrime and cyber loss. And then you get to third party. So what I wanted to make you sure that you're aware of is there's a bit of a jump ball right now on third party loss. And what I mean by that is a situation where, let's say, another transaction participant's email is compromised, and you send your wiring information to them, and then all of a sudden that ends up in the hands of the customer, and the customer activates on it and they're defrauded. Well, you sent to the transaction participant the trusted pathway, but they were compromised, but yet you may be responsible because of that person's negligence or failure to protect their own email account or other digital property. So the question there is, the third party, the person that wired the funds, so to speak, is the victim because your server wasn't hacked. Your email wasn't compromised. They weren't in your system. They were in somebody else's system. So the question that you need to ask, and ask it in very clear terms, is, well, what happens if there's a third party loss and I'm spoofed? And they think they're dealing with me, or they think the information came through a trusted pathway that I sent them, but ultimately it wasn't me at all. And we've had this on our brands, and I know that many of you watching this have had this on yours. I just want to make sure you're covered, because candidly, CertifID is meant to bridge that gap that we're seeing in market, where there's just this kind of black hole, there's this weird area between the E&O and the cyber. So I do invite you to check out CertifID. Here's a link to engage with us and allow us to show you how you can securely send and confirm the authenticity of wiring information before money is sent to you or you move money out of your escrow account. So with that, I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to connecting live soon. Take care.